Many people who work at desks begin to slouch forward as the day progresses, leading to pain and problems. Several exercises can be done using a foam roller to help correct posture. Begin by placing a foam roller as shown and laying on it with the head supported. Allow your arms to relax. A stretch should be felt in the front of the chest. Begin to slowly move the arms up and down in a pain-free range of motion like you are making a snow angel. Perform up to 30 repetitions and move your arms slightly further each time. Next, pinch your shoulder blades together and hold for 5 seconds. Perform 30 repetitions. To progress this exercise, grab a resistance band with your palms facing down and perform the band pull-aparts. Try to maintain your arms as straight as possible and remember to squeeze your shoulder blades as you pull the band apart. Perform up to 30 repetitions. Now hold the band with your palms facing upwards. Repeat the same steps as before. Perform up to 30 repetitions. These exercises can also be performed in standing if laying on a foam roller is too intense. Start by placing the foam roller on the wall and begin raising your arms up and down like you are making a snow angel. Next, pinch your shoulder blades together and hold for 5 seconds. Perform 30 repetitions. Now hold the band with your palms facing upwards. Repeat the same steps as before. Perform up to 30 repetitions. Place the foam roller perpendicular to your spine and roll up and down your upper back. Once you have found a tender spot, slowly extend your spine backwards and then come forward. Perform 30 repetitions, but do not push through pain. Slowly progress further each repetition. You can intensify the stretch further by placing the arms overhead as shown. The same exercise can be performed using a yoga block. Follow the same directions as before. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.